Welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk, the show where we make your English smoother, more natural, and fun. In just 5 minutes a day, you'll pick up short, simple lessons that give you a little progress bit by bit, helping you learn quickly without feeling overwhelmed. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Stacy. Today, we're going to look at 3 little words that you hear all the time in English conversations. Literally, basically, and actually. These words don't change the main meaning of the sentence, but they add feeling, clarity, or emphasis. And if you use them naturally, your English will sound more fluent.
Let's start with literally. It means exactly or in reality, but people often use it for emphasis in casual speech. It was so hot, I was literally melting. He literally ran 10 kilometers without stopping. I was so tired, I literally fell asleep on the bus.
Next is basically. You use it when you want to explain something in a simple way or give the main idea. Basically, it means the same thing. I was late because, basically, the train got delayed. So basically, we just need to finish this part.
And then there's actually. It's used to correct something, add surprising information, or show what's really true. I thought he was American, but actually he's Canadian. Actually, I don't like coffee. I prefer tea. I was nervous, but it was actually easier than I expected.
Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after us. I was literally freezing outside. Basically, it's just a simple plan. Actually, I've never been there before.
Here's something interesting. Young people, especially in the US, often overuse words like literally and basically. Sometimes they don't even mean them in the strict sense. It's just part of casual style.
So don't worry if you hear them a lot. You don't need to copy every usage. Just use them when they add meaning or help you sound more natural.
Let's do a quick sample conversation.
Bruce, how was the movie?
It was so funny, I literally couldn't stop laughing.
Really? I thought it was serious.
Actually, it was a comedy. The trailer was kind of misleading.
Oh, okay. So basically, it's not what I expected.
Now it's your turn. Here's today's challenge. Make 3 sentences, one with literally, one with basically, and one with actually.
For example, I was literally running late this morning. Basically, we just need to wait. Actually, I already finished my homework.
These little words are like seasoning in cooking. You don't need too much, but just the right amount makes your English taste more natural and enjoyable. So practice them, but remember to use them wisely.
And that's it for today's 5-minute English talk. We hope this helps you use literally, basically, and actually more confidently.
So keep going, bit by bit. You're doing amazing, and we'll be right here with you every step of the way. Until next time, keep smiling, keep practicing, keep talking, and always remember, your words have the power to change your life.